I'm going to the estate sales that I was telling you about yesterday. But today my OOTD is this vest from Anthropologie. This underneath t-shirt is from Target, or actually no, Walmart. It's Walmart, because I found several shirts that year. And then these pants, Crocs, are from Anthropologie too, and of course my Birkenstocks.
Today I am wearing a Johnny Was that I got on Poshmark. You know, the Johnny Was clothing is pretty expensive, and I am not kidding you, this was like less than $35. It was 32 something or other. But anyway, it has wide slits on the side and just a little bit of floral in the back. And then I'm wearing these crops from Altered State, and they're just really comfortable. So maybe, I don't know if the slender crops are in or not, but I'm wearing it today. And then jewelry is a heart sapphire that my husband gave me, lapis bracelet, my sapphire ring that my husband gave me when the first year we were married, and earrings are from my sister from Alaska. She brought me these from Alaska. So that is my OOTD. And the shoes are Corkies. I couldn't remember if they were Groxies or Corkies, but they're Corkies, and they have a lot of jewels colors on them, which I thought would go with the flowers.
So we decided to stop at Whataburger. We're sharing some tater tots and a biscuit sandwich with egg and cheese, because we're both kind of not even that hungry. That's what our sandwich looks like. So it's stuck. Okay, biscuit with egg and cheese. All right, let's enjoy. We finished at Ruffles and Rust. We did a little damage, and we'll show all that at some point. So now we are headed to estate sales, and this first one's going to be really interesting because it is an author. She writes books, Jody Thomas, and I had one of her books. It's going to be kind of interesting to see. So
there's a police officer. So I'm not sure that we're going to be able to do some filming. I'll try if I can, but we'll just see how it goes. So estate sale number 1, here we go. This is beautiful.
It's an elevator.
Oh, really? Oh my goodness. Oh my. That is cool.
Not the.
And a clawfoot tag.
Wow. Is there layout?
I don't know. Look at the wallpaper.
I know, it's like.
That almost looks like my wallpaper that I had at home.
It does.
In our other house.
Look at what that back did to my arm. It suffocated it. This is cool.
Goodness, how cute.
It has a bathroom.
Oh, wow.
It's got his own bathroom. This is like a long time.
How about that?
This is like,
Long time
I'm
ago.
going to my alone time. I don't want nobody to
Uh-huh.
bother me.
Escape.
Yes.
There you
Cool.
Wow.
I took a picture.
Yeah,
of it.
they're made
You
out
did?
of plastic. They're
That is just wild. It's invasive though.
It is.
It would be all over the place.
Is it?
We're gonna go upstairs. Oh, did you see the Peter Pan? Look at Peter Pan.
Let's see Peter's on.
That's how you open the vent. You close it by pulling it forward.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really neat.
See the other bedrooms. Look at the on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
The homes are incredible. I just love the old downtown Brick Street homes. I just love them. Okay, again.
So I think this house reminds me of The Holiday with Cameron Diaz and Kate Winslet, and her staying in Los Angeles and Cameron Diaz staying in England.
That is
Switching.
really cute.
That is so pretty.
So we're finished at the Jody Thomas home, and it was really pretty, but not as big as you would think. Got a few pictures, and it was run by the girl that I used to have in kindergarten. That just is so special to me, to have somebody that I taught. So Suzanne found some art supplies. I found some ribbon, nothing elaborate. I only spent $5. So we're going to go to this next one, and it looks like it's going to be something else.
Big deal.
And again, this is going to be hopefully half price. We shall see. and it is police guarded. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film. Oh my goodness. I have got to where I am so allergic to dust, I guess. You know? This is so fun. Adrienne Papel. There's a beautiful dress back here. Beaded dress. Oh, look at this. Look at this. How much is it? $2.95. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
I stand by her. I'm the guns. I'm the. There you go.
Pretty. But this, is this me or is this me?
Is it? No, I'm not. I guess so.
And the cat.
Pretty freaked out by the time we got here.
That gives me anxiety.
12. And today we're open 5.
Yeah. Whatever it is.
And a good one. I agree. 12.90.
Okay, I may have to have these. Oh my word.
There you go.
I'm fixing to lose them. I don't know.
Somebody put these chairs on the marketplace and all
And the greenery. Oh dear, another closet.
not anything catchy.
Okay.
Oh, me.
Look here. Let's see what they want for their doll. 15.
Okay.
So we were about in line. Deal. So the last house was very interesting. It took us a while because it was pretty crowded, but it was a little bougie.
And I had to take off my vest because I'm hot and I'm drained.
It's 84 though. It's not bad. I mean,
It's
we've
not,
been doing
but
this in the
I don't know,
hundreds.
Trump.
You know,
Yeah.
we've been doing it when it's 103. So this one's going to be a very nice home, but it's just not going to be bougie, which I'm kind of glad because it's really depressing to go see people have all that tons of silver and just I don't know. Anyway, so let's go do this one, and then we're going to get a lemonade. We are so thirsty, or a Coke or something. I can't have Coke, but she can. Let's go. Let's go to the estate sale.
Trying to get a Coke. That's funny.
Whoa. Did you slip? No, Jeanette would be looking at this.
Did it?
Mm-hmm. No luck there. That was pretty much in and out. It was pretty well picked over. So we're going to think about going out to this place that is unusual. We'll see. But first, a drink. Okay, so we are coming to this place. It's called the Sixth Collective. And it's just very unusual. It's a kind of a collection of shops. So we're going to check it out and see how it goes. And I guess that's, I don't know. And this is the entrance to it. So, we've been here before, but they're having a sale today. So we're just gonna kind of see. Please, let there be something. Oh, look.
Yeah, I'll be in touch.
We love us some civics. This one right here is the other one that I thought would be pretty for fall. But it would be full price. You know, it would be $50. And now mine costs $20. they have anything to go with it? Did they have anything to go with it? Oh my word.
Okay, so I'm in the Sits Collective and I'm about to try on some clothes. So I got these cute little silky black pants and a cute blouse top. $9.75. This reminded me of Pixar 11. Aztec print. Say it again.
We are having slim chickens today. We are going to share the Hungry Man meal, or whatever they called it. You get 7 pieces of chicken and we share. $17.49 for one meal.